To begin, make a slip knot. Make a loop and pull the yarn through. Pull to tighten. Insert the needle and pull it again to tighten it. You're going to cast on 69 more stitches for a total of 70 stitches. To cast on, make a loop with the yarn in your left hand and then insert the needle through the yarn in your right hand. For the first row, you're going to purl 2 stitches and then knit 2 stitches. Repeat this across the row. For the second row, you're going to knit 2 stitches and then purl 2 stitches. Repeat across the row. Repeat these 2 rows until the hat measures 10 inches from the cast-on edge for the kids' version and 11 inches for the women's. Make sure you end on a wrong side row. The next step is to shape the crown. Knit 2 stitches and then purl the 2 stitches together. Repeat across row. For the second row, you're going to purl 2 stitches and then knit 1. Repeat across the row. For the third row, you're going to knit 2 stitches and purl 1. Repeat across the row. For the fourth row, you're going to purl 2 stitches, then knit 1. Repeat across the row. For the fifth row, you're going to knit the next 2 stitches together and then purl 1. Repeat across the row. For the 6th row, you're going to purl 1 stitch and then knit 1 stitch across the row. For the 7th and final row, you're going to knit 2 stitches together across the row. Cut the yarn, leaving a long tail, and thread it through a yarn needle. Insert the yarn needle through the remaining stitches to remove them from the knitting needle. Once the stitches have been removed, pull the yarn to tighten the top of the hat and sew the back seam. The final step is to attach the pom-pom to the top of the hat.